Welcome to online testing platform of Learner's Planet. This is the home page of Learner's Planet. Log in to your account with the username and the password. Now you can access your account. On this page, click on Online Testing. You can enter online testing from this page also. Click on Online Testing. You're seeing the page of User Profile. The first tab here is View Profile. You can view your profile. Edit Profile. You can edit your profile. Change Password. You can change the password of your account. Then is admin tests. These are the tests generated by admin. Test reports. These are the reports of tests attempted by you. That is of the admin tests. There are practice test papers. These are the test papers which you are creating. You can create your practice test. There are practice test reports. This gives the reports of the practice tests which you have created and attempted. Now click on Create Practice Test. Here you'll see Create Test. Write an exam title like Test 1 Demo. Write the exam duration, 60 minutes. You can take this test online as well as offline. For taking the test online, click on Online Exam. Otherwise, click on Offline Exam. You can take the print of the test. Save and continue. You can write the subject of which you are going to take test. This will be your step 2. You can add more subjects by clicking on Add New Section. Here, English. Next section is Science, Maths. Save and continue. Now select categories in section for creating exam. So create exam, select categories in sections. Section English. Select section Science and section Maths. In section English, select English and the topic which you take for the test. If you want to take up all the topics, the questions from all the topics, just click on the subject. Repeat for the next section. Again, for the next section, select the subject, that is maths, the topics, the questions of which you wish to take up, and then continue. There are different patterns of questions. They're like multiple choice question, assertion reasoning type question, the true or false type question, fill in the blanks type question. So select the pattern of questions. Then select the levels: easy, medium and hard. And then the total number of questions which you wish to attempt from that particular section. Repeat the same for the next section, which is science here, the pattern of question, the number of easy, medium and hard questions, and of course the total number of questions. Do the same thing for the next section, which is maths here. The type of question, that is the pattern of question, easy, medium or hard level question, total number of questions, like that. You can select all the levels of questions also. That is a mix of easy, medium and hard questions. And write the total number of questions. Now save and continue. You have to write the total number of questions in all the sections. Now the test name, test 1 demo, duration 1 hour, and then click on launch. Your test will be launched. There are instructions related to the test. Go through it carefully and then click on skip and continue. Skip to the test. Your test has started. You can select the sections which you wish to attempt first. Just click here. You'll get the sections which you have written: English, Science, Maths. If you'll click on English, you'll get questions related to English. If you'll click on Science, you'll get questions related to Science. And if you'll click on Maths, you'll get questions related to Maths. Read the questions carefully and then write the correct answer. After marking the answer, click on Submit. If you wish to mark any question, click the tab Mark. If you wish to go to the previous question, click the tab Skip and Previous. If you wish to go to the next question, click on Skip and Next. When you have finished your test, just click on Finish Test. you'll get the analysis report of test 1. This is the analysis report. You'll get a summary here, that is test time limit 1 hour, English total questions selected 20, Science 20, Maths 20, and the total number of questions 60, of which the correct answers, the incorrect answers, and the unattempted ones. Also the time taken for each section and the score of each section will be displayed. If you want to see the solution, click on Solution keys. This gives the detailed solution of each and every question. There are 2 tabs here. Clicking on the first, you'll get the number of students attempting the question correctly. The number of students, or the percentage, is depicted here. The percentage of students attempted this, gave incorrect answer, and the percentage of students skipped this question. There's another tab. Clicking on it will give the explanation of that question. Click on Accuracy. You'll get the analysis report here. You'll get a report like this. The subject, the number of questions, the attempts. Then click on Time Allocation. You'll get the time allocated by you for each and every section. In this way, you can create your tests, as well as you can attempt the tests which are already there, created by admin. I hope you have understood the process. So all the best for your tests.